Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the presentation. Tonight's recipe comes from Australia. Tonight is meat and party pies. Morning mise en place. Just after prep, I added a few things. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. I heat up some oil in my brazier. I add the diced onion and saute. Then I add the garlic and saute for about a minute. Then I add the red bell pepper and then saute. I add the beef and saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Then I add the herb and spices and stir them in. I add the tomatoes and the Worcestershire sauce. I add the wine and the stock. Stir to combine, and then we let it simmer for about 50 minutes. Then we add the cornstarch slurry and stir. And here it is, looking thickened. Rolled out the dough and the ramekins are ready. I put the dough in the ramekins. And the meat filling is ready to go into the ramekins. Ramekins are full and the puff pastry is ready to go on. Everything's assembled and there's an egg wash. Here they are in the hot box. Just fresh out of a hot box. And the final presentation. I hope you enjoyed the presentation here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.